after a long time. Today is gonna be special because for the first time, I will talk to someone whom I love and admire so much. I'm so very proud for her to discuss with me regarding education and success. I know there's a lot I can learn from her. Shall we start? Mommy is working in the operating room. She is in Abu Dhabi and has been there since 2006. Hello, Mommy.
Hi Jacob, how are you today?
I'm good, Mommy. Can I ask you some questions regarding your success journey?
Sure anak, you can ask your questions.
What role did education play in your journey to success?
Okay, education played a very big role in my journey to success. It gave me a lot of knowledge. It provided me with skills and abilities. It helped me to develop my attitude and increase my critical thinking. So it made me confident in doing what I do, and it helped me also to problem solve. So I can say that education, yes, was a very big influence in my success today. That's it, Anak.
Can you please share a significant challenge you faced and how did you overcome it to achieve success?
Okay, so one of the most significant challenges in my life, I think, would be the COVID pandemic. As a healthcare worker, I faced situations where um, no one has ever experienced before, and I don't know what to do. So I made plans, I made decisions, but then I do not know whether they will work or not. Some of them worked, and some of them did not. And so this part of my journey made me more stronger, made me more brave to face tough situations in life. Also, if you remember, during the first part of COVID, we are not together, right? You are in Butuan, you and Daddy, and then I am here in Abu Dhabi. So that situation also made me to strengthen my faith in God and praying to Him to make sure that we are all well until we are all together again. Okay, so that COVID pandemic also made me more stronger mentally and psychologically. That's it, Jacob.
That is so cool, Mommy. How did your early life experience shape your approach to success?
Okay, so most of my success today is a result of my early life experiences. So, as a child growing up, uh, my parents taught me to love learning. They taught me how to read, encouraged me to pursue my hobbies and my interests. They were always there to guide me every single day when I study, when I do my homeworks, when I join any activity. So they were always there to support me whenever I join any contest. And they have always said that they were very proud of me even if I lose a contest. So as a child, my life experiences taught me to be more tough, taught me to never quit if ever I face any challenge in life.
I did not know that story before, Mommy.
Okay.
How did you maintain motivation and drive to continue succeeding in your endeavors?
In my endeavors. Okay, that's very easy, Jacob. I just think of you. As your parent, I want to make sure that you are healthy, you're always loved, you're always supported, and that you have all you need in life to be comfortable. So, whenever I face hard times, when I think that I want to stop working or I want to quit whatever it is I do, I think of you. um, I want you to see that every day in life you will face situations like this. You will go through hard times and you will face obstacles. But the most important thing is to never give up, because every day in life you will learn something new, and that it should make you excited to learn more and to do more and to pursue your dreams in life.
So you're telling me that I can learn something new every day.
Mhm.
Okay, how do you balance personal life and career to ensure overall success and fulfillment?
Okay, so success is about having work-life balance. Okay, so success is not about working and making sure that you spend all your time at work. So you need to make sure that you also have time to enjoy life, go out with your friends, pursue your hobbies and interests. So for me, when I'm not at work, I want to make sure that I talk to you and daddy, right? You know that every day we talk. And every day I want to know what's happening with you in your school, and how's your friends, how's your classmates, how's your teachers. So that gives me the fulfillment knowing that when I am not at work, I spend time with the people I love, and that's you and daddy.
Thank you for answering these questions, Mommy.
So, after talking to mommy, I learned a lot of things. I have to study hard, read more, and always be brave. I can see that she remembered lessons from her childhood and used them to be successful later on. She also said that I must be patient and not give up when I face challenges. Now I know that success is not something that happens instantly. It is something one must work hard for. I now know I need to prepare myself starting from now on if I want to achieve my goals someday. I'm so lucky that Daddy and Mommy are always here to cheer me on and support me. This is it for now. Thanks for watching!